Hello and welcome to Country Sampler on Video. Spring is in the air and one of the season's most enduring icons is the Easter egg. Today we're going to create an egg trio with a country feel. We started with 6-inch papier-mache eggs and created finishes inspired by burlap fabric, yellowware bowls, and painted furniture. Let's get started. For the weathered paint egg, you will need chalky finish paint in brown and blue, a paintbrush intended for chalk paint, another paintbrush, your papier-mache egg, some sandpaper, paper cutouts, and decoupage medium. Next, you'll apply the brown chalky finish paint to the egg. Once it's dry, you'll start applying the blue chalky finish paint as a top coat. Don't aim for complete coverage. Let some of the imperfections show through so you can see the brown finish underneath. When the top coat is dry, sand in desired spots to create a distressed finish. If you desire a bit of embellishment for your egg, add a paper cutout. We used a cutout of a vintage rabbit. Adhere the cutout with decoupage medium. And seal the entire surface of the egg with medium. For the burlap egg, you will need gesso, linen-colored craft paint, burlap tape, burlap flowers and leaves, a hot glue gun and glue sticks, scissors, and foam brushes, as well as decoupage medium for sealing. Prepare the surface of the papier-mache with a coat of gesso. This will ensure better paint coverage, especially with lighter colored paints. By nature, these eggs are not perfectly smooth, but imperfections are part of their charm. Once the gesso is dry, apply several coats of linen-colored paint, letting dry between coats. Position the burlap tape around the widest part of the egg and remove a little of the backing so you can adhere one end to the egg. Wrap the tape around the egg, overlapping the cut ends. Remove the tape backing and press in place. The area where the tape overlaps will be the front of your egg, as you will cover it with the burlap flowers and leaves. Arrange your burlap flowers and leaves how you would like them. Glue each piece in place on the egg with hot glue. If you desire a more glossy finish, brush the painted portions of the egg with some decoupage medium when you're finished. For the yellowware egg, you will need gesso, buttery yellow craft paint, 1/4-inch white artist tape, scissors, and a foam brush. Again, prep the papier-mache with gesso. After it dries, apply several coats of yellow craft paint until your egg has the desired color, letting dry between coats. When the paint is dry, cut and apply lines of artist's tape in your desired configuration. You might even incorporate larger tape or other colors typical to yellowware detailing, such as brown or blue. For this egg, we're going to apply 3 thin lines near the middle section of the egg. And if you would like a more glossy finish, apply decoupage medium to seal the piece. When the eggs are complete, display them atop a set of candle holders, using a bit of removable adhesive putty to hold them in place if needed. For more decorating ideas such as these, see the current issue of Country Sampler, available on newsstands now or by visiting countrysampler.com. And we'll see you next time on Country Sampler on Video.